Welcome to Akshar Gamma Steriles LLP, India's highest capacity and fastest processing gamma radiation sterilization facility. Gamma sterilization is one of the world's most trusted, effective, and 100% eco-friendly sterilization methods. Leading Akshar Gamma Steriles LLP are visionary industry experts. Our process begins at advanced docking stations, where products are received and systematically stored within our FDA-compliant facility. Before sterilization, our quality team applies dosimeters to each product batch to accurately measure the gamma radiation dose during processing. Products are then loaded into specially designed tote boxes and transferred through an automated conveyor system into the gamma irradiation chamber, ensuring safe handling and uniform dose distribution. BARC-trained and certified operators monitor every stage using advanced software and automated controls to maintain the highest safety and quality standards. Tote boxes filled with product boxes are then transported through our conveyor system inside the gamma radiation chamber. Inside the irradiation chamber, products pass through a homogeneous field of high-energy gamma rays emitted from cobalt-60 source pencils encapsulated in high-grade steel. The source frame remains safely stored in an 8-meter deep water pool when not in operation. Gamma rays penetrate deep into the products and destroy microorganisms, effectively sterilizing the material without heat, moisture, or chemical residue. The irradiation cycle is precisely controlled based on required dosage and source strength, while the conveyor system ensures uniform exposure from all sides. Our continuous process system accommodates 62 tote boxes, each carrying nearly 620 product cartons, enabling efficient large-scale sterilization. After irradiation, product boxes move via conveyor to the unloading station. After sterilization, products move to the unloading station and are stored on HDPE pallets for final quality verification. Our quality team rigorously tests each dosimeter to confirm the required absorbed dose. Only after successful validation, products are released for dispatch with complete confidence in their sterile integrity. From reception to release, every step at Akshar Gamma Steriles LLP reflects our commitment to precision, compliance, quality, and customer satisfaction. We hold certifications and approvals reflecting excellence in medical devices and allied products. Akshar Gamma Steriles LLP, delivering safe, reliable, and world-class sterilization solutions for the healthcare industry.